All right, it is 9:15. Today is the 21st of July. So we doing funded algo. We trying to see if this works well with futures MNQ, preferably MNQ and 6E, which is Euro futures, Euro FX futures. As you can see, this is hindsight, but we're gonna go over my YouTube live that I just went over as far as how the trade took place. And again, this is paper trading because we're trying to get enough analysis and data on trading with this this algorithm or this indicator. Again, on the right, this is something I coded based off the 20 SMA, and I use this for my higher time frame when I'm trading forex on a daily time frame. So again, first and foremost, let's take this off. And what I did was I always mark off the previous day high and low. So if you look right here, this is the previous day high and low. All right, and then that's also the week's high and low. So and this is previous day low. If you look at, this is the previous week's low and the previous day low. So this was also this market previous day high and week high. All right, so that's something I look at when I'm going over these trades. And we're going to back test it real quick. And then we're going to go over the YouTube video that I actually took the trade on. Again, yes, it was on paper trading because I have to make sure I have enough analysis on here. All right, so let's pull up Funded Algo. This is 8:30, my 8:30 trading time frame. Today, this actually happened about 30 minutes, well, about, yeah, at 8:30, so about 45 minutes ago. All right, so let's wait for it to pull up. And as you can see right here, this is simple. What I do is I take the trade. Once I see strong candle, and all of these were, let me see, all of these were green at the time. So I don't know why it's acting like that. It might be because of what's going through right now. But you can see, you'll be able to see on the YouTube video. So I took two contracts. All right, two contracts, and I made it 1.5. All right, so let's take the two contracts right here. And then of course, I'm going everything over what I did right here. So, and this is 1.5. So 226. Okay. Let's see what is happening here. Let's go back. All right. Let's go back. It's acting funny right now. All right. So we took, oh, did I hit sell the first time? Is that why? Let's see. 149 to make 226. Why is it doing that? Am I hitting sell or buy? It's weird. Let's see. Or am I doing it? Hold on. Let's see. That's weird. Why is it doing that? I must be, hold on. Let me try one more time. Make sure I'm doing this right. All right. All right. So we hit a buy. My SL is right here. And it might be just acting up today. I don't know. 226. It's weird. All right, but let's go back over it. So I don't know why it keeps doing it. I might look at the video and see I was doing something wrong later, but I know I was hitting buy on that one. All right, but as you can see, the strategy I hit buy, and then actually about 15 minutes later, it hit our 2.5 TP. We hit 226 bucks, and let's go over the actual. Let's go over the actual YouTube video. All right. And let's move this out of the way. Let's put this back up. 1 second. All right. This is the actual video. And I'll do a talk through. As you can see on the right side right here, right? You see it all bullish. This is when I took the trade. As you can see, it's a strong candle right here. And previous day, my previous day and previous week high. So but if I see this right here, this is what I basically based it off of. Nothing, pretty much nothing else. And if it's close to the previous week or the day high, I tend to kind of, if I see it's not bouncing off of there, I tend to take it. But if you look at the 5 minute through the weekly, it's all bullish bias. So, and I see this is the strong candle I'm looking for. I get in, I go 1 to 5. And let's see if we can, let's see. You can see right here, I did the 140 and to 226. All right, let's see. Let's fast forward a little bit so you're not sitting here. All right, you can see it went straight into profit. Pretty much the trade took about 30 minutes. Didn't take long. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep rolling. And it's pretty much plain and simple, man. This is all I'm doing. And at the end of the month, I'm going to see how profitable I was. We're in 30 days, not at the end of the month, 30 days. We'll see how, if it stops me from taking trades, because I have the sensitivity on 5.5. So it should take me out of, basically get me out of trash trades during the New York session. And I will try to avoid, I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet, avoid the big time news. I don't know how well it does with that. So we might take it anyway, just to see how it does. All right, as you see right here, in about 10 minutes, it hit TP1. Step right here, TP1, you can see 5 to weekly is all good. So pretty much in 10 minutes, our trade hit our TP. So you risked 148 to make 167, but we're going at 1.5. So we risk 148 to make 226. Let's go back and see. Actually, I didn't let it. I actually kind of covered it up a little bit. Let's see, because I was looking at news, etc. Another pair, I was distracted a little bit while it ran. As you can see, let's see. Let's go back. As you can see right here is when it pretty much hits TP. All right. You can see it comes back and boom, it just shoots up. While I was looking at something else, distracted, and it hit TP right there. So you can see right here, pretty much 5, 10, 15, in 15 minutes, we hit our trade with the Funded Algo. So hopefully you guys like the content. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. We'll see you tomorrow.